how to trim video for Instagram story. Now, if you have a long video like 2 or 3 minutes, you want to upload that to your Instagram story. Be aware that Instagram will allow us to upload 1 minute, which means 60 seconds of video per one story. So if you have got a 2 or 3 minute or longer video, you have to split it into 60 seconds for each part. And the way we can do this is by simply using this application from our Play Store or App Store called Video Splitter. You could download any Video Splitter application and then simply open it up. Now when you open it up, I'm just going to skip all this process and I will select the option Split Video and I'll just tap on it, allow the access to my videos. I can just choose a video of my choice. So I'll just choose, let's say you can see I've got 1 minute 38 seconds video. What I will do is I will split them at the 59th second. So if it's let's say 1.5 minute video, I split it at the 59th second, it becomes a 2-part video. So on my Instagram story, I can upload the first part following up with the other part. If you have longer videos, you can actually go ahead and follow up with the other parts as well. So at the bottom you can see the slider and you just have to drag the slider and make it about, let's say, a 59 second. I'm just doing 59 just to be careful so that it doesn't turn 60 and crop that little millisecond. So I'm selecting 59. Once I've done that, you simply want to tap on the split video option. So you can see custom split, hit the check button from the top right hand side. It will split this video into multiple parts and it's a free app, so you might have to also deal with the ads. But once you've done that, you could upload those multiple parts that you split into 59 or 60 seconds onto your Instagram story. This is how you can trim video for an Instagram story. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.